Hey lovelies, welcome back to Reviews and Recaps. Let's get into today's video. Today we're going to be talking about Destiny Payton and the trial and what is allegedly going on in relation to that. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap that bell button right next to it so you know every single time that I post. And everyone, please like, share, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Now let's get into today's video. So you guys already know we covered the fact that Destiny has been going through a lot of different things, particularly in relation to the court case with her husband Labarick. Now, the last time we covered this story in relation to Destiny, we covered the fact that she was arrested. And we also talked about what Destiny said in respect of how the arrest went and how it was in front of the doctor's office when she was trying to attend a doctor's appointment for her son. Okay, so we covered all of that, and now today we're going to be talking a little bit about what is allegedly going on in relation to the court case with Destiny and Labarick. Now, the source is T from TV, so shout out to them. So allegedly a subpoena was issued on the 22nd of May, so pretty recently, which was to Destiny's son's school, for them to provide some documents needed for trial. And in terms of the trial started on the 4th of June, which was just a few days ago. So things are like really heating up if they're starting to like subpoena the school, for instance. I'm just thinking like, what is going on? What exactly are they trying to find out with this school? So interestingly, the documents contain what the court requires from the school, which includes things like records, reports, files, memos, things like that. And if I just read the court, it says, including all academic records, parent-teacher conference notes, attendance and performance records, pick up and drop off, disciplinary actions, counseling records, therapy records, and all other information related to said minor child for the period commencing the 1st January 2021 to the date of your response to this subpoena. So it's like they want everything. So from what we know is that Destiny subpoenaed the school, but I'm just very interested to see how this plays out, because I'm just thinking like, what are some of these things going to prove for Destiny? Is Destiny trying to prove that she's a very active parent and, for instance, attends school with her child and picks up the child and like the performance of the child and all these sorts of things? And I just wonder. What I think is interesting is it also says things like including all disciplinary actions. Now, it could be just like the standard wording, to be honest. It may not be indicative of the fact that there is some disciplinary actions recorded. It could just be like, basically, we're like covering anything the school can potentially have. And we're like, you guys make sure you bring it out. So I don't think it's indicative of there being like counseling records for the school or like disciplinary notes or actions. It's pretty much just like everything. If there is anything in relation to academic records, disciplinary actions, pick up, drop off, log, all of that, it's like bring everything out. So this trial would be very interesting. Allegedly, Labarick subpoenaed Madison County Department of Human Resources. So this should be very, very interesting. He has asked them to provide all letters, reports, case status reports, or any memorandum noting the final status of any and all claims or cases against the below individuals concerning the minor child. That is very interesting, because I'm just like, what is happening? If anyone has any more information about what is going on in the case and what's happened, maybe starting from the trial date of the 4th of June, if anyone knows, like you guys, let me know in the comment section below. Or if you know anyone that covered it that I can like go listen and see what I can find, let me know in the comment section below. Also, like, let me know what you think. I do want to talk a little bit about this Labaric and Destiny situation. I feel like it is very heated, and it's hard to be able to like take a stand and be like, okay, Labaric is doing too much or Destiny is doing too much, because we don't know enough about what has actually happened. I wish like both of them would just come out and say what it is that happened. One person say your side from start until finish, the other person say your side, and then let us then decide what is going on. Like, we've heard Destiny say half and pieces and say certain things, that of course is not making Labaric look good. But sometimes no one is a villain in their own story, right? So for the most part, it's always like when people generally tell their story, they tend to be the victim in their story, whilst the other person is like the villain. So it would be interesting to be able to hear Labaric's side as well, and then for us to be able to listen and see if there are gaps, and then ask them these questions, and then if they address it, then we can get a little bit of context. Because at the moment, from Destiny's side, it seems like Labaric is just unhinged and constantly trying to take her to court and take her through a lot. But we don't know if that's the truth because we haven't heard Labaric's side. And I feel like we need to hear a little bit more about that so we can really be like, this is crazy. But one thing I will say is, you all know I do not support AB of any kind. And so if Labaric actually AB'd her in any way, yes, nah, that is completely unhinged, terrible, disgusting behavior. But like I said, we've only heard one side. We have not heard the other side. And the person we have heard from is someone who does not give enough context. Now, of course, there's meant to be like court records about court order about not saying certain things publicly. So maybe that's why she has been very restrictive in the way in which she has said certain things. But I think from outside looking in, it's just like something where I know personally I would like some context, but maybe you guys don't care. Maybe I'm a bit nosy. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and tap that bell button right next to it so you know every single time I post or go live. And everyone, don't forget to like, share, and I will see you guys. Oh, and also let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.